Hi guys, today I'm gonna introduce the designer's unit in Namba. The unit is on 7th floor. Let's open the door. This is a shoes closet. The unit is 1LDK plus 2 lofts. Big closet is here. You can put whatever you want. By closing the door, you can use it as a full-length mirror. The kitchen looks like a new, and it has 2 stoves, grill, and dishwasher as well. No need to waste your time anymore. One of my favorite points of this unit is this gorgeous bathroom. If I live in here, I'm sure I can have relaxed bath time every day. As I said, the unit has 2 lofts. Number 1 is here, and that's the number 2. I love this view from the balcony. Shape of the balcony is quite unique. Go to the loft. Here is the loft. Be able to put some stuff out there. If you like this video, please thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe this channel.